In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Study and Learn Mode. In order to do that, you first need to head over to chatgpt.com, and then if you don't have an account yet, you will be prompted to log in or sign up for free. So just choose right here which one you want. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up for free. But if you already have one but you're just not logged in, then click on this login option that we can see right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to access the ChatGPT and not the restricted version that we can see right here. However, you can also still use the study option on the not logged in part. So you can click onto this study and you can input right here your prompt. So let's try to see it onto the logged in version. So here it is right here. Click on this plus icon and then click on this study and learn. As you can see earlier, we only have study, but on this we have the learn. Now it's been prompted, so you just input right here to learn something new. So for example, let's input right here, create a practice quiz, and then input right here your prompt. So you can create a quiz, you can help ChatGPT, or you can have ChatGPT help you understand a topic, or help you study a specific thing that you're not adept yet. So for example, in this case, let's create a practice quiz with 10 items about specific thing. Like for example, let's choose right here algebra and send it to ChatGPT. And then after that, this will prompt us this. You can see this practice quiz. And in here, you can see this part. You can start with solving the question 1. So for x, and as you can see, x into x plus 7 equals 15. So let's try to input right here. So for example, let's input, I got 14. Show me where I make a mistake. So you can prompt that like that. And as you can see, it will give us a detail of how everything will roll down right here. And as you can see, it can help us learn some things. So that's how you use ChatGPT Study and Learn Mode. Hope we help.